Urvashi, Krish, Rohit. So today we are back with Jordindian series. Types of sneezes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So
Everybody has their own sneezes. I think probably that's what they're going to show. Every personality, every individual has, and in fact every race has its own sneezes. So
Yes.
let's see what they have to show.
Also, guys, if you're new viewer to our channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also remember to press the bell icon. And also follow us on Instagram. The IDs are given in the description box. Okay.
Start. Bless you.
This is like decent.
Yeah.
The religious.
एक के साथ एक free.
होता है song.
Second time. The one shake.
Viral sneeze.
Yes, you can do it.
Accident. That was little, yeah. The unfortunate.
Yeah, can I have a peri-peri chicken burger?
You. And then he. What is
The racist, huh?
Because I am the tour Habib, you think I'm a pop? This is the media, Habib. The media is putting this in your head. Don't you understand? Alhamdulillah.
Yeah, that was funny. Yeah.
Yes.
Funny, yeah.
It was again correlated to our life.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lot of things are correlated.
Yes.
And there are one
There
or
are
two
some
like
things,
yeah.
which are not.
Yeah, that racist
Yes.
and Punjabi, those things doesn't
Yeah, but that
go
was
in
funny
real
element.
life.
And funny
Yeah,
element.
that's a funny element
Especially, in fact, I like that last part particularly because that was just to show funny. That's it.
Yeah.
added. They're like they mixed with the sneezing sound and stuff, and they made those
Yeah,
things. But
yeah.
It's
But overall, it was good. Like, yeah.
Especially the handshake. Especially if somebody comes
Yeah.
and sneezes, nobody's going to. Oh man, come on.
yeah.
And many people do. I mean,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
might cough and then they might shake the hand.
Yeah.
It's
Actually,
like,
I
you never
remember
know, right?
He telling
You
you.
were telling me that some of your colleague was
He
what
happened
was
to,
that?
yeah, what happened is like one of the customer came in late and
Okay.
this guy was like, asking some doubt and he was like, the moment he was going to say, he sneezed and that guy was like, at least use an handkerchief, man. He was like, it was so quick, I didn't have time. I was like, okay.
Yeah, actually these are
Yeah,
like
that-
you can't
yeah,
predict
yes,
things,
yes,
but
Yeah.
and
Accidentally happens.
that 1 + 1 free also.
Yeah,
That's like
even that is
biological
common.
thing.
Yeah.
We can't stop those
Yes.
things and but and that thing 1 + 1 thing that will be very frequent in the
Yes.
old ages.
Yeah.
Maybe after 50.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was
because-
very common.
Even
Yeah, it's
many
catchy.
times we
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes. Yeah,
We are waiting for that.
Yeah,
but-
waiting for that thing, right?
That's what he showed us, right? In one video.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. They covered
Yes,
all
they
of
covered
all of them.
All of that. Even my mom says that if she's sneezing, Hare Krishna. I mean, that's
Yeah.
very common. Yeah.
Yeah, lot of guys.
Yes, I say mummy. Yeah.
I was like one of the he was jumping, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. I
Yeah,
was
it
like
was
if I something like that, Yeah, I'll mix with the something
So
else.
everyone has a different way.
Everybody has everybody. Initially, even I thought they will be covering all those things itself, and they did. That's pretty nice.
Yes.
And they collected the information how people do and stuff.
Yeah.
That's good. It's very funny.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so if you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also let us know if you have any suggestions for us in the comment section. Also do follow us on Instagram. Thank you.